Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing for weight loss. To begin, focus on creating dressings that are both flavorful and low in calories. A good rule of thumb is to use a base of healthy fats, like extra virgin olive oil, but in controlled amounts, perhaps 1 to 2 tablespoons per serving. Incorporate plenty of fresh ingredients such as herbs, citrus juices, and vinegars to boost taste without adding unnecessary calories. This approach helps you enjoy delicious salads while supporting your weight management goals. Let's dive into some essential ingredients for your healthy dressings. Extra virgin olive oil is a fantastic choice, offering beneficial fats, but remember to use it sparingly, perhaps 1 to 2 tablespoons for a single serving. For acidity, reach for vinegars like apple cider or balsamic or fresh citrus juices such as lemon or lime. These add a vibrant tang without many calories. Don't forget a touch of Dijon mustard. It helps emulsify your dressing, creating a smooth, creamy texture. When making dressings for weight loss, it's crucial to know what to avoid. Many store-bought options are surprisingly high in added sugars, which contribute empty calories. Also, watch out for excessive sodium, as it can lead to bloating and water retention. Highly processed vegetable oils, like soybean or corn oil, are best replaced with healthier alternatives. Creamy dressings, while delicious, often contain unhealthy fats and many more calories than you might expect, so opt for lighter, vinaigrette-style options. Here's a simple, delicious vinaigrette recipe to get you started. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of your favorite vinegar, like red wine or balsamic. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously until it's well emulsified and creamy. Feel free to add fresh chopped herbs like parsley or dill for an extra burst of flavor. This dressing is light, flavorful, and perfect for your weight loss journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.